A Kano High Court sitting on Tuesday sentenced a Chinese national, Frank Geng Huangron, 47, to death by hanging for stabbing his Nigerian girlfriend, Umukosom Sani, 22, to death. Frank, who lives in railway quarters Kano, was convicted on one-count charge of culpable homicide. Delivering judgment, Justice Sanusi Ado-Mahaji held that the prosecution had proven its case beyond reasonable doubt. The defendant's testimony is inconsistent. I hereby find him guilty. I hereby recommend mercy by the Kano State Governor on behalf of the convict, he ruled. Earlier, the prosecution counsel, the Attorney General of Kano State, Haruna Deredi, had informed the court that the convict committed the offense on September 16, 2022 at Jambolo Quarters, Kano. He said on the same date at about 9 p.m., the convict stabbed the deceased with a knife in her house situated at Jambolo Quarters, Kano, for an undisclosed reason. The victim was rushed to the Murtala Mohammed Specialist Hospital, Kano, where she was confirmed dead by a medical doctor. He made this known. The defendant pleaded not guilty to the charge. The prosecution presented 6 witnesses to prove their case against the defendant and 4 exhibits. According to the prosecutor, the offense contravenes the provision of Section 221 subsection B of the Penal Code. The defense counsel, Mohammed Danazumi, presented the defendant to defend himself and 1 other witness and tendered 5 exhibits. Danazumi urged the court to recommend the defendant for a prerogative of mercy pursuant to Section 313 of ACJL. In his testimony, Frank said, "I didn't kill Umukosom intentionally, but stabbed her in self-defense after she grabbed my testes." He pleaded with the court to temper justice with mercy in its judgment. Speaking with NAN shortly after the judgment, the victim's mother, Hajiya Fatima Zubairu, expressed satisfaction with the judge's decision.